all good, God exists, why does unnecessary suffering exist? Atheists often point to natural disasters, diseases, and the suffering of innocent children. They argue that an all-knowing, all-powerful, and perfectly good God should be able to prevent such suffering without removing human freedom. This is known as the problem of evil. Though, why is there no universally accepted, direct evidence of God? Many atheists argue that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Since God's existence is a major claim, they ask why there is no clear, publicly observable evidence that convinces everyone regardless of culture or background. Theme. Why do different religions describe God so differently? Thousands of religions have existed throughout history, often making conflicting claims about divine beings, salvation, and morality. Atheists argue that this diversity suggests religious beliefs may be human creations rather than revelations from a single divine source. Char. If God wants a relationship with humanity, why does he remain hidden? This is called the argument from divine hiddenness. Atheists ask why sincere people who genuinely seek God sometimes remain unconvinced despite years of searching, prayer, and study. 5. Why do scientific explanations increasingly replace supernatural explanations? Throughout history, many phenomena once attributed to gods, lightning, disease, planetary motion, have received natural explanations. Some atheists argue that invoking God is unnecessary when natural processes can explain the world. Che. Who created God? When believers argue that everything needs a creator, atheists often ask why God is exempt from that rule. They argue that if something can exist without a creator, perhaps the universe itself could be that thing. 7. Why are religious beliefs strongly influenced by birthplace and culture? A person born in India is statistically more likely to be Hindu, while someone born in Saudi Arabia is more likely to be Muslim. Atheists see this as evidence that religion is heavily shaped by culture rather than by universally obvious divine truth. 8. Why do miracles lack strong independent verification? Many religions claim miracles, but atheists argue that most miracle reports rely on testimony rather than evidence that can be independently tested and verified. No. Why would a just God punish people for honest disbelief? Some religious traditions teach consequences for disbelief. Atheists question whether a fair and loving God would punish people who sincerely examined the evidence and remained unconvinced. Thus, could belief in God be explained by human psychology? Atheists often point to psychological factors such as the desire for meaning, fear of death, social belonging, and pattern recognition. They argue that these factors may help explain why religious beliefs arise and persist. These are among the most influential atheist arguments. Philosophers and theologians have developed detailed responses to each of them, and the debate between atheism and theism continues in fields such as philosophy of religion, theology, and religious studies.